In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to List, top left, and you want to click on Chart of Accounts. You could also press Ctrl+A on your keyboard, which is the default keyboard shortcut. Now, in here, you want to go to Account down at the bottom, and you want to click on New up top. From here, you can see there's a bunch of options, and you want to select the bank over here to add a bank account, and you want to click on Continue. So over here, it's going to load in, and you have to give it an account name. So for example, I'm going to do My Bank 1. Of course, this is just a tutorial. You can put in whatever it is in your case. And then over here, you can do a sub-account off if that's relevant. You can give it a description over here. You can select a bank account number. I'm just going to do like this, and then the routing number as well. So whenever you do that, you can select the tax line mapping, and then you can enter the opening balance if you want to as well, and then simply click on Save and Close. And as you can see, it's going to say that I have to enter a valid 9-digit routing number. So to actually do this, I have to, of course, enter it. If I don't, it's not going to work. And there we go. As you can see, it's now added my bank account onto the list. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.